What's good, my people? As y'all can see, man, got the big 300 taken apart. We're doing some long overdue stuff, man. We're actually getting the new fog lights in. As you can see, this is them. Got the halos to match the headlights. In case you haven't seen those, you know. So yeah, got the bumper off. So I got to get the old ones out of there. I had to get a new wiring harness as well. So this is the new one I just put on here. This is the old one, right? So this thing is all butchered and spliced from whenever, if you guys remember when I had that little, I don't know if you want to call it an accident, but when I hit that scrap metal in the road and it bust my bumper, it also clipped this wire. So I tried to patch it back together as best I can. You can see I got like those little connectors on there. You know, it worked for a while and then it just kind of died on the old boy. So I just decided to say hell with it. We got a brand new harness. The other thing I did need to get is a two-way splitter for the headlights, right? So I just tested these just to make sure they work, and they do, right? However, this particular connector is the one for this little internal halo that you see in there, not the big one. It's for the internal one. I just unplugged that one just to make sure that this is actually working, and it is. But as I was saying, I needed a splitter for that, right? So I'll be able to plug in both the that little internal halo as well as the fog light, right? So yeah, shit, I'm pretty much ready to go ahead and throw them on now. I just gotta go ahead and come on, camera, what you doing? Look at the gimbal. Look at what the gimbal doing. Come on, man. Gotta go ahead, take those out of there, and yeah, throw the new ones in there. We'll be good to go. You know. But let me show y'all what else I did to the car. Actually, come on, man. Look at what this thing doing. Right, so we put new 345 badges on here. Had to do it. Yes, sir. And we up the exhaust tips. Yes, sir. So these are gloss black. Got these from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. These are 4.5 inch tips, right? So I went to the muffler shop, had them test the 5 inch, and they were just a little bit too big for that diffuser that I have on the car. So I decided to go down to 4.5. That's like a super little short video I was doing. I guess I'm gonna just throw it in right here. My people. Quick one for y'all, man. We got some exhaust tips we about to get put on the car. I had no idea it was gonna be this quick. You heard me? I was gonna start the video like as I'm sitting here. But I like literally pulled up and they telling me to like, you know, pull this joint in. So yeah, we about to get these tips on here, you know. All right, guys, so just like that, man, they got the big girl up there. You can see they already cut the old tips off. And yeah, go and get the pipe ready to put them 5s on there, you know. Yes, sir. So I'll be back to y'all whenever she's done, man. But yeah, man, so let's get these old fog lights out of this bumper and throw the new ones in there, and I will be back with y'all in 1 second, you know. All right, so got them in there. That's gonna look good. But when I said like the two-way splitter, this is what I meant, right? So again, it'll have one that'll go to that little interior halo, and then this other one will go down to the fog light. So not only do I have to get these, but I also had to get an extension as well, right? That way we got enough wire to actually make it to the fog light. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this up together now, man. All right, just like that. Obviously, my bumper isn't all the way on. Just wanted to test, make sure everything was working like it's supposed to be. And it is. Yes, sir. That shit could be hard. So what I just need to do is clean up like those wires, you know, down low. And the ones up top by the fuse box. And I think we're gonna time lapse this until it's nighttime. That way we can get another look at it. And yeah, we're gonna call it after that. But anyways, man, if y'all tuned in and got this far though, I definitely appreciate it. All my OGs, y'all already know, man. I always love with y'all. If you're new here, I appreciate it. Hopefully you are a subscriber. You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all just be passing through, but consider hitting that subscribe button, man. The next thing we doing, the next upload is gonna be us wrapping this Hellcat style hood. So if you wanna wrap your own hood, I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. We'll do it right here in the garage. I got the wrap, got everything I need, you know what I'm saying? Show you how to do this the easy way, you heard me? So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. Again, that will be the very next upload, So I'm hoping that be this week, all right? So today is Sunday. I'll probably put this video out like Monday, Tuesday. And then I would like to have the wrap video up like Thursday, Friday or something like that. So I don't know, we'll see, but y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you got the notification bells hit. But that's all I got, man. Again, stick around, let's see this thing at night. You know,